Oops.
Hello, hello!
Guys, may dumating na kahon. Buksan natin! Let's go!
Ayan,
So, kung kilala nyo na si Papi Louie, no? Alam nyo na kung anong laman ng kahon na yan. Iisa-isahin natin yan kasama ang aking little assistant na si Sam. Okay? Kuha na. The first one is, ito libre to, no? Sa ating kahon. Next! Oh, yan laki nito! Nung ating next toy, kailangan natin buksan. Look. Oh, it's a little minion bag! This is Son Goku. Ito, libre ko rin to nakuha dito sa shop na pinagbilan natin, no? Ronald McDonald House of Charities, no? Meron tayong baller. Wow! We got another plastic bag. Ang mosquito, ano? A Minions Mosquito Killer. There, a McDonald's, visor. Look. Ready to serve! It's another freebie. 101 Dalmatians na envelope bag. Yes. Rilakkuma. Ayan, parang rin siya. Mini McDonald's din. Oh, may measuring tape pala siya. Ang cute! Si Hello Kitty na drummer. Boom, 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 boom. Tayong si Parappa the Rapper. Kung naglalaro kayo ng PlayStation, kilala nyo to. Kung PlayStation 1 pa, nakikita yung edad natin na si Parappa the Rapper. Ito is text. Where's my little helper? Little helper? Oh, lalagyan ng ayan, made in China, Starbucks. Original ba to? Let me know nga guys kung orig to mga ganito. Helper! Yan, next natin meron tayong Funko Pop, si Izuku Midoriya. Yan, bibigyan natin ito sa pamangkin ko kasi mahilig siya sa My Hero Academia. So this is going to go to you, Ate Denden. Korean something. Happy Meal book na may stickers. Picture is this. Freebies, masking tape, lantern. This is a Green Lantern watch. McDonald's din yan. Snoopy eraser. This is for Sammy. We have a Mickey Mouse and a Pluto pin. Japanese pencils. Premium whiskey. Kirin. Oh. United Nations pin yata to. Naman na. We'll open this later. Parang mga stationery. And this one is the Joker. Complete with everything inside. It's a Joker. Doraemon apron. Next, ito haba. Si Mickey Mouse na soccer. Naputol lang siya pero pwede pa natin magagawa pa natin ng paraan to si Mickey Mouse. And then si Minnie Mouse na cheerleader. Tung dung 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 dung. Let's see if it works. Yay! The purple ball. What's inside the purple ball? Oh, it's a Dragon Ball. You can see inside. Goku. And we have si Grimace. Nasa loob ng sa Max Space. Everyone knows this one. It's Max Space. See?
We can open it.
You can open it. Grimace is inside.
Grimace!
And there's a face din si Grimace. Oh! This one I like. Meron na naman tayo nito guys. Alam nyo na yan.
Hello! Hello, hello!
Meron tayong Beams design na naman, no? Yung ating potato catcher. Ibenta natin to guys. Burger lamp. Paano ito gumagana? Pag inangat mo siya, supposed to light up. Pero wala tayong battery pa. Next is... What's this? A Batman watch. Same sa Green Lantern. Nakuha yung Superman nito may nakakuha eh. Hindi ko nakuha. Next! Sa cars, yung wagon. I'm not sure kung ano to. Pero, ayan siya. Race car, McDonald's din to from Japan. Same here, parehas lang sila. Race car din. And, oh, this is cool. Sa Mega, Mega Mind ba to? Sa Mega Mind ba to or Ants? Hindi ko alam kung saan siya eh. Si Doc Ock na wala ng octopus tentacle sa likod. Ah! My head! Yan, kasama ng BeatStar. Meron na tayong pandagdag sa ating BeatStar collection ng McDonald's. Coca-Cola. This is from Coca-Cola. So cute. What is this? Tipis?
Wow! Wow!
Burger guy. Whoa. We are Venom.
We are winning.
That's it. What did you see? It's a snake. It's your mama's favorite.
No.
Whoa! There. Another Beatstar saxophone naman siya. No, wala nang ano. Hindi ko mapapalitan lang ng batteries to mga to kasi crunchy na yung plastic. We have a Jollibee magnifying glass. Point. Hello. Oh, what's up? There's another one like that. We have another Hamburglar, bubble head, bubble foot, French fries. Doesn't work na. French fries. So this a beaver. This is a beaver. Another Beatstar drums naman.
So,
Then we have lots of McDonald's Hot Wheels. Ang laki ng makina. This is Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean.
Bean's Holiday. Yeah. Okay, little helper next. This one is a little big. This is a Minion. Ito. Popcorn holder or drink holder? Let's see. Bubuksan yung likod.
Inashi.
It's a drink holder, I think. You can put your drinks there. You can move this arm. Another popcorn holder, Minion. Malaki pala to, no? Galing sa Halloween. Halloween version siya. Another collection na naman natin to.
Yapinka.
Holder. Ay, helper. Tadan! Another Minion one. Then open the back again. You can put popcorn again at the back. The eyes are rolling again. Wow! What is this? It's a Sumiko Gurashi.
Oh.
Sumiko Gurashi.
Inashi.
Oh, there's something inside. Stickers. Grabe. Isa sa mga rare finds natin to, McDonald's na inflatable beach and full toy. Sure pa kung kung original siya na McDonald's, pero meron naman siyang meron naman siyang barcode, McDonald's. Kaya mukhang orig naman siya, Check natin, unbox natin to sa ibang video na lang. Lastly, ito, freebie ko nakuha to. This is a freebie! Pinaghirapan natin makuha to na free, Japanese siya na,
Open.
na projector ng light.
Oh.
There's a gun. I think you should... let's put na lang. Let's put a battery on this one. Let's play with this.
Let's put it.
Okay guys, sana na-enjoy ninyo yung unboxing natin. Isa-isahin pa natin yan lalo sa ating mga mystery meal box, yung ating series ng mga McDonald's toys. And hopefully masabay-bayan ninyo yun, Guys, yung iba dito for collection ko and yung iba dito ibebenta natin, Hindi ko pa sure kung kailan ako makapagbenta ulit. Medyo hectic ang schedule ni Papi Louie ninyo. Pero I'll be sure to post it pagka So, you have to follow Papi Louie na lang, ha? Para at least updated kayo pagka nag-post tayo ng mga for sale natin, guys. Alright? Hanggang sa muli!
Papa, papi.
Papara papi.